All right, now we are going over how to do a concentration curl. Now, a few things to make sure that you are doing this exercise effectively. Number one, you want to make sure that the upper portion of your arm, right, from the elbow up, is against the inside of your leg, right? You do not want to have the elbow against the leg. You want to come down so that it is only the upper arm that is against the inside of your leg. Number two, you do not want to use momentum to swing the dumbbell up. You do not want to use leverage of your body to bring the dumbbell up. You want to stay in position, leaning over, and only use the biceps to curl the dumbbell. Again, do not use leverage to swing the dumbbell up. Number three, do not hyperextend the arm, right? This is less about injury and more so about keeping tension on the bicep. In other words, you do not want to come at a complete dead hang and lose tension on the bicep, right? You want to stop a little bit before your arm is completely straight and then come all the way up, flex the bicep, hold that contraction for a second, and repeat the movement. This is how you effectively do a concentration curl.